As a woman, unfortunately, I think everyone can relate na we've experienced some sort of level of sexual harassment in our lives already.
Especially now with our situation, di ba? Yung mga nangyayari sa atin, na-frustrate tayo kasi ulit-ulit na lang yung nangyayari. Pero wala pa rin nakukulong. Pero we are frustrated, but we should at least keep on fighting. Just like Jonalyn, alam niyang mahirap yung laban, alam niyang mag-isa siya, alam niyang dehado siya. Pero we just cannot just lay around. Siguro for our own selves, we know that the fight is hard. We know that the fight is long. We know it's going to be frustrating, but maybe just for ourselves, we just have to fight.
Ginawa po namin to ni Kuya Bars with a sincere intention to empower victims, but sana hindi lang po yun. More importantly, to empower us, everyone, na protektahan natin yung isa't isa, i-call out natin yung mga perpetrators. And yun, gamitin natin lahat ng channels, social media, mag-file ng case, mag-file ng vowsy, pumunta sa police, tulungan, or yung simple act na kausapin lang natin yung victims. Kung hindi pa sila comfortable to speak up, empower natin sila, samahan natin sila, huwag natin silang hayaang mag-isa. So yun lang, with that small action na matulungan sila. So yun po.
Sana pag may nakita tayo, when you see something, say something. And let's watch out for each other and let's take care of each other and just be human beings to each other.